Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got some spooky completions to show you. Well, not overly spooky are they, but yay, look at these. Yeah, I've been having a lot of fun doing my Halloween items. We kitted this one up a couple of days ago, a week ago, I don't know. Time just flies by. So yeah, we'll have a look at this one first and then we'll have a look at all these little chaps next. Okay, so we have this magnificent sticker. Yay! And this came from Onedaysaving. It was £5. It is a 30 by 40, the full canvas, just to give you an idea. The unboxing was in the August unboxing from Onedaysaving. So if you want to look in their playlist, Onedaysaving playlist, you will see this. I have taken the backing off. If you remember, the backing of the sticker, you know, it's all just peels off. So what I've done is take it completely off, other than leaving the little key code on, and I will be putting those into my little logbook to say I've finished it. And then once it's been on the wall, I will then just take it off. I'm considering sealing it first because it is such a big sticker, and with the best will in the world, these drills are quite heavy once they're actually on your canvas. So taking them off your cover sheet, you have to be very, very careful to get underneath. It is easier if you've not got the edging on to take them off, but not catch, you know, like that. I've actually done that, and that is my fault because I was in a rush and I thought I'm going to put it on the wall, and then I thought, oh no, I need to film it first, so I had to quickly put it back here again. But yeah, it will just peel off. The gems aren't going to come off, they're all fine, and to be honest, once it's on the wall, you're not going to see that. So that's user error, that's just impatient Harrison here. But yeah, it will just peel off and then it will go on the wall, and once Halloween is over, I will take it back off the wall carefully and put it back down here, because there is quite a bit all joined together. Look down here. Yeah, I actually did that bit as well, but as I say, it will all just stay together. You just got to be a lot more careful than I am, and you know, lift this as well. Possibly, if you can, maybe get somebody else to help you with it so that it doesn't all stick together. The letters, I think that letter is joined onto there. So yeah, it's a case of working out what's joined onto what so you can get it flat on the wall. I mean, you could actually cut that off there, or cut this pumpkin off here. So if you don't want to use that bit, you could just literally use the gonks there with the bubble tile and trouble, and the pumpkin and the broom. I think she's whacking the cat, he's whacking the cat, look, with the broom. I did look at the glow-in-the-dark drills, but unfortunately, when I started putting them down, because the lettering on the canvas was quite dark and these are quite transparent, and the lettering did show through. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to work with these. I did think though, I have got some black glow-in-the-dark drills, so I might give those a go. I should have maybe put them on the cat, but the other one I'm doing, which is the moon with the witch in the middle, I'm going to do the witch as the black glow-in-the-dark gems, so that will work out quite nicely. And I will show you that once I've got it done. I'm hoping to get it finished for Halloween, but yeah, meeting myself going back at the moment. We've had a busy week with hospital visits and things, so yeah, and doctor's visits. Right, so this was lovely to do. Gosh, my lamp just nearly fell off the desk then. I just saw it starting to move sideways. I am actually using my new lamps. We are still getting shadows, but I don't know whether it's quite as bad, but it's certainly a lot brighter. You know, even with the window open, and obviously we're coming up to winter as well, so I'm going to be filming in the dark. We've just changed our clocks now, so you know, we're like an hour back, so it's getting darker sooner time wise. So yeah, I do need some extra lighting, and you know, they are really bright. They're LED lights, and I'm quite pleased, but it's just finding somewhere to actually stand them now, because they have got quite a big footprint, quite a big stand. This one's, yeah, look, the one of these that opens up as like a 3-footed stand. So I've just got to work out where they're going to go. And as I say, that one decided it wanted to jump off the desk. Silly thing. Not quite sure where it thought it was going to go, but anyway, it made its way off the desk. The only thing I will say about this is, I mean, it is sort of full drill on the sticker. I missed my bling. I've got so used to doing lots of special drill canvases and lots of special drill projects that, yeah, I missed the bling actually doing this one. But the drill's fine, the stickiness fine. It was enjoyable to do, it was good fun. I just literally did one colour at a time. I started at this corner and worked my way up round here, and then I started at this corner again with the next colour and worked my way around. What I tend to do is start with the ones, I look at my pots and I look which ones have got the most gems in, and I think, oh, which has got the most gems in? I start with that one because then I know that one's going to be like the main bit. The red, I think it was, there wasn't many of those. There was one colour that was hardly any that I put down, so I sort of did that one last. That's just like filling in. But me being me, did go wrong. Instead of picking up, which letter was it, or which number was it? I think it was the fawny one. Yeah, instead of picking up the red, which is A, I picked up number 9 again, and that's why this one is empty, because I got them all put down on my canvas. And then I thought, oh, this isn't very good. There's a lot of this colour, there's not much contrast. And since when did we have brown pumpkins? And then I realised I'd actually used the wrong colour. So then I had to try and remember where I'd put them. Unfortunately, on a lot of canvases, and this one in particular, if you look just underneath the drills, the colour is actually the colour of the drill. So like the little circle, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, probably not now. But yeah, so all the red ones had a little red ring round them, so I could go back and pick them all out, and you can see there is a lot of red going on around here. So it took quite a bit of doing, but because I have got quite a few of this colour, I'm just trying to think which one it was. Number 9 was 783. I just thought, oh, I'm not going to mess about. You do find that if you take a big bulk of gems off a painting, they can be sticky and they can stick together. If you've not got many spare gems, or if you've not got enough to complete your canvas of that colour, fortunately I'd already completed that colour, so I knew that maybe I'd only need an odd one. Then I just got rid of them, and I know, but yeah, they were all clumping together, and to then put them into your storage with your other gems and making your other gems sticky and clumped together, I thought no. So I did actually throw some gems away. Da, da, da. Shocking, I know. Yeah, but the drills went down fabulously. A couple of the letters I really had to watch. I'm just trying to think what they were now. The letter T's were quite difficult to distinguish from the number 1s. I had to really look closely at those, but again, that is my eyesight, because there was clearly a line across the top of the T, but the number 1s, with them being like the number 1 shape, yeah, I had to watch, and yeah, I had to really watch what I was doing with those. But again, if you're using a light pad underneath, actually I'm not sure if a light pad would go under this, but certainly with this bright light, and as I say, I use my magnifying light anyway, they came out really well. So I'm really, really pleased with this. It's a huge big stick. I mean, I've got really big hands, and this is great, and I think for the money it was wonderful, so yay. And then our cheeky little chaps, oh, got a little sticker there. Oh, I've still got some sellotape on here. Let me just get that off. Okay, so these were my little set of, I think it's 8 key rings. They were £7 from Onedaysaving. They were in my last month, September's PR package, and they are double-sided key rings, but look at these. They were such fun to do, and again, scary, but not overly scary, are they? I mean, they're like a witch and a vampire and things, but yeah, if you've got little ones, I don't think they're going to be too scared of these. They're the really nice quality lobster claw clasps keychains. Again, really these need sealing, but because we're practically on Halloween and I've not put them on my tree yet, I'm actually going to put them up and then seal them after Halloween. So yeah, that's your set of little lobster claw clasps with the little gold chains to put on them. I think I might have preferred silver because there's so much silver on them. So I may even use string rather than using those. I'm not quite sure, although once they're on the tree you might not even see that anyway. But look at the shine on these, and I love the fact that they've done the big gems in amongst with the little gems, so it just gives them that extra little bit of shine, that extra little bit of texture, because they could have just done them all in the small gems, as I say, but all double-sided. And what I also did, because the eyes were just completely black on all of them apart from this little, I don't know what he is. He's a Frankenstein's monster, I'm not quite sure, or maybe from a cartoon. He had all crystal eyes. So on that one, I've just put a little black dot, a little black gem in the corner so that he looks like he's actually looking at something. And on all of the others that have just got the black eyes, I've just put the one gem. So it's like a highlight in the eye. And I think it just gives them that little bit more character. I think you can probably see it better on that one. Look, I've just put the little highlight. Just make sure that they're both all going the same way, unless you want to put the gem there and then it looks like the cross-eyed. But yeah, and I've done it on both sides. But that's really sweet. That's like a little terrifying gingerbread man, isn't it? But he's got little heart as well. I'm sure somebody can tell me who all these characters are. I know somebody did tell me what some of them were. I do like the little witch. I think, yeah, with her one tooth. And her little witch's hat. She's Witchy Poo, is she? Or somebody like that. But yeah, again, even the black and the green, all the two sizes of the gems. And I've not come across that before. And it actually made them a lot quicker to do as well, because if they're all full drill, smaller gems, practically full drill, are they? Full coverage, shall we say, of the smaller crystals, the smaller gems, then, you know, they do take that a little bit longer doing. But these were worked up really, really quickly. I just sat and did all these last night because I thought they were so cute. And yeah, there's the little mummy look with the green on, and then the little vampire with his cape on. Look at that purple. That is absolutely gorgeous. But the sparkle on these is amazing. I'm really, really pleased with how these came out. So yeah, I'm going to actually use them as decorations on my Halloween tree. I will be doing my video. What I'll have to do is switch all my lights on, because I've got my lights in place now. Just a few of them, not a huge amount. And to be honest, when I actually looked at my Halloween stash when I got my box out, I've not got as much as I thought I had. Go figure. I usually have tons of everything, and for whatever reason I just didn't have quite so much. So yeah, I've got these to do. I've got these to put on my tree. So I think I've done 3 lots of key rings. I've got this big sticker. I've got quite a few pictures that I haven't quite decided where I'm going to put them yet or not, so we'll just have to wait and see. But of the video of my Halloween display will be coming. I'll probably put that up on Halloween actually, and see where we end up with that. But yeah, a huge thank you, Onedaysaving, for sending me these. I've thoroughly enjoyed looking at them. The gems left is great, plenty of them. So I've got all the special shapes, look, which I class anything larger than a standard as a special shape. So I've got all of these here to go away in my special shapes. The others are just the standard crystals, so they will just go in my generic colour matching on those, and we'll see where we end up from there. Okay, well, just a very quick little video just to have a look at some little bits and pieces. I will do a kitting down on these in a future video, probably lump them with a few other bits and pieces as well. And yeah, so thank you for stopping by. If you've enjoyed looking at these with me, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Don't forget that I do have a 5% discount for Onedaysaving that you can use. I don't earn any commission from it, but you can get the 5% off. It's just a thank you from them and from me for shopping with them and for watching my videos. Yay! We all like a bit of money off. Go and check out all their special offers that they've got on as well at the moment. Okay, well, as I said, if you've enjoyed this, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you do want to come back and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, oh, I can't see for looking today, and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.